Hey guys, it's me again, Wandam again. In today's tutorial, we will talk about a root user. Who is a root user and why is it important to be a root user? Uh, for those who know Windows operating system, there is a user called administrator. Administrator is a user that has a full access to the operating system. Uh, The same is true in Linux. There is a user called root. Root user has a full access over Linux operating system. Uh, in Linux, the user has the right to install softwares, remove softwares, configure system settings, configure networks, and so on. Today we will see how to be a root user and uh, access system information using root. So to be a root user in Linux, you don't have to access the root account. There is a command called sudo in Linux. Uh, it gives you a root access to the command that you are running. Uh, in the last tutorial, we used sudo apt get update. Sudo is not part of the apt get update command. It is a root access command. We are giving this command a root access. If we run apt get update without sudo, you can see uh, it doesn't work. So let's try it using the sudo command sudo apt get update. Now it asks us for a password. If we are a root user, we have to know the password for the user. So let's give root. Now we have access to the root account to run this command. Now the update command is running. This is the first way to gain access to root account or root command. Let's stop it here. This is the first command that we used. Sudo is only for a single command. It works only when we use a command. Each time when we use a command, we have to start with sudo if we wanted to access the we wanted to run the command that we want. So this is really tiresome for some of the people, but it is a secure way to. So the sudo command is a securest way to run a software. I will show you the disadvantage of the second way to use root access. So the second way to gain root access is using sudo su command. We don't need to uh, use this command with uh, another command. It is a way to access root command permanently. If we use sudo we get a permanent root access. As you can see, our user account changed into the name user at Ubuntu changed into root at Ubuntu. So this is how you gain access to root command. Now if we run apt get update, here as you can see you don't need to use sudo here because we are already a root user. So now let's try another command. Apt get install apt get tiny mce. Now it is installing the tiny mce software. So these are the two ways that we uh, gain root access in Linux. When we want to exit from root access, we use exit command and we'll be back to the user account which doesn't have root access. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching again.